Number 10, Joomla is everywhere. And when I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. Joomla will never leave you high and dry. These are just some of the people from the 2013 Joomla World Conference, some of the thousands of people involved in Joomla. Now, I know relationships between clients and developers sometimes end, and they end for a lot of reasons. One of the things that is really great about Joomla, and this is actually true of WordPress and Drupal as well, is the massive, active, and very supportive community that is all over the world. Let me highlight just some of the community elements behind Joomla. The Joomla community portal is one place that you as a developer or even a client might want to take a quick peek at. There is a community blog that will keep you up to date with everything going on, as well as all of the Joomla events around the world, and there are a lot of them. There are 3 types of events in Joomla. Joomla Days, which tend to be put on by local Joomla user groups, and they're in cities from around the world. There is the J and Beyond event in Europe each year, and this tends to be a pretty technical event, but it attracts some of the best developers from all over Europe and indeed all over the world. People gather together to talk Joomla for about a week. And then finally, there's the Joomla World Conference every year, and this tends to float around between the United States or at least somewhere close to the US. And this is a fantastic opportunity to get together with other people who know and use Joomla. There are great sessions, and usually it's at a pretty nice venue, so you'll have lots of time to sit around and get to know other people who use Joomla. If you're a Joomla developer or you use Joomla to build websites, I can't stress this enough. I think the Joomla World Conference is a great opportunity for you to enhance your skills, but even more importantly, to get to know other people from all over the world, building those relationships so that if you need help, you can find it. If someone needs help, you can offer it. And it's just amazing to be part of a global community like this. Back at Joomla.org, there's not only the blogs, but there are user groups, events, translations, the magazine, which is always interesting to read. It's usually put out the first of each month. We also have a brand new Joomla online demo, the ability, of course, to download Joomla, and you can even set up your own Joomla website for 90 days for free at demo.joomla.org, all part of the community. If you use Joomla as a site builder or a developer, I can't encourage you enough to get involved with Joomla. There are opportunities everywhere for you to be involved, whether it's just to help in the forums, write translations, develop extensions, testing. There are many working groups all around the world that help Joomla get better. Now remember, Joomla is an open source project. It's completely free, and Joomla is developed and run by volunteers. These volunteers have jobs just like you and I, but they take some of their time and offer it up to the project. And these are just some of the ways that you can do that. So Joomla is everywhere, and it'll never leave you high and dry. One anecdote, in my last corporate job, we purchased a CMS for $25,000, took a year to develop it, and on the day we launched, they went bankrupt. Over $100,000 wasted. That's not going to happen in open source, and it's not going to happen with Joomla. It's a fantastic project with thousands of people around the world using it every day.